Welcome to our story. This is an adventure that began 20 years ago and is built on these three pillars: excellence in production, a commitment to technology, and an obsession with making a positive impact on patients. With our eyes on the future, IPD Dental Group is moving forward with a clear goal: providing advanced original solutions, taking full advantage of what technology offers us. Here, we design advanced original solutions, universal components compatible with most implant systems on the market. We achieve this through high technology and care for design. Because our objective is to make it easy and convenient for everyone involved in the process. From laboratories to dentists, and in particular for patients, whose satisfaction we take care of. And we do this with precision, excellence and control, but also with commitment. We are convinced that there is no evolution without this commitment. Each step we take in this direction shapes the present and future of the company. This journey is not made overnight. It is built with the effort and passion of hundreds of people working day and night to provide solutions from here to around the globe. Will you join us?